Sir, ma'am. Pasensya na po.
Sige, kuya, okay lang po.
Ay, kuya, hindi mo na kailangan ipaalam kung sino kami. We're family.
Ronnie, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Surprise!
Tita Ronnie?
Yeah, come on, give Tita a hug.
You're so here din po.
Yes. You know what, Leah? This place looks so fun. Can I join you guys?
Wait lang po, Tita Ronnie. Did you already say sorry na po kina Naina and Super D?
Bakit? Ang meron? Kakadating ko lang, I just arrived. May nagawa na naman ba ako?
Pero remember po, nagkagulo po tayong lahat nung dinala niyo po ako sa house niya without informing my parents.
Yeah. Baby, that was just a misunderstanding.
Yeah, pero sorry na po kaming lahat eh. Ako po, Super D, pati na rin po si Nainay.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what I've done.
Akala ko kasi makakabuti yung ginawa ko. Sabi nga nila, di ba? The road to hell is paved with good intentions. So, it was my mistake. I'm sorry, Carol. I'm sorry, Bernard.
Okay po, Tita Ronnie. You're forgiven na po.
Thank you, Leah. Alam mo, Leah, babawi ako sa'yo and it starts now. Kaya nga nung nalaman ko na nandito kayo, pinilit ko si Amber na pumunta dito kasi sabi ko, chance na natin to bond with each other. So, okay lang tayo if I join you guys?
Of course po, Tita Ronnie.
Dennis? Andito ka rin pala.
Carol!
Tita Dennis! Here, dami na po natin!
Ito kasing si Ronnie pinilit ako mag-drive.
Okay lang. Basta ikaw, welcome ka naman dito eh.